Welcome to IMCEI. Today's topic is HCF LCM part B. The first question is, when the number is divided by 3, 5 and 7, we get the remainder 1. So, if I divide the number by 3, we get the remainder 1. If I divide the number by 5, we get the remainder 1. If I divide the number by 7, we get the remainder 1. In all these cases, remainder is same. We need to find the number. When the remainder will be same, the general term will be LCM of the divisor into k plus remainder. So LCM of 3, 5, 7 will be 105 into k plus 1. Now if I put k equals to 0, we get the minimum number which is 1 here. If I get k equals to 1, we get the minimum number 105 into 1 plus 1 which is 106. The next question is, when the number is divided by 4, we get the remainder 2. When the number is divided by 5, we get the remainder 3. When the number is divided by 7, we get the remainder 5. In all these cases, the difference between the divisor and the remainder, divisor minus remainder is always the same, which is coming 2. Here also 5 minus 3 is coming 2 and 7 minus 5 is coming 2. In all the cases, divisor minus remainder is same. In this case, the general term will be LCM of the divisor into k minus difference, which is coming 140k minus 2. Now first we will put k equals to 0. The minimum number is coming minus 2, which is a negative, which is not possible. So now we put k equals to 1 and we are getting 138, which is the positive value. So that means the first number is 138. The second question is, when we divide a number by 3, we are getting the remainder 2. When we are divide the number by 5, we are getting the remainder 4. When we are dividing the number by 7, we are getting the remainder 4. In these cases, two cases, we are getting the same remainder. So the general term would be LCM of the divisor, which is 5, which are 5 and 7, which is 35k plus the remainder, which is 4. Now only the first number is left. When the number is divided by 3, let us consider quotient is a. So n equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder, which is coming 3a plus 2. So if we equate these two numbers, we get a equals to 35k plus 2 by 3. Now if I put k equals to 1, we'll get 37 by 3, which is not an integer. Now we put k equals to 2 and we'll get the a equals to 24. So now the general term will be LCM of all the divisor, which are 357, which is 105k, plus the smallest number. Here the smallest number is n equals to 3a plus 2 and a equals to 24. If we put 24, we'll get the smallest number, which is coming 105k plus 74. Now if I put k equals to 0, we get the first number, which is 74. The next question is, when we divide a number n successively, here the important term is successively, by 4 we get 3, by 5 we get 4, by 6 we get 5 as the remainder. We need to find the first value. Now here the general term will be continued multiple of the divisor, which are 4, 5 and 6. So 4 into 5 into 6 into k plus the number. Now how to get the number here? Now in this case, first consider quotient equals to 0. When we are dividing the number by 4, we are getting 3. By 5, we are getting 4. We are getting by 6, we are getting 5 as the remainder. So here the first quotient is 0. Now multiply the number diagonally and add the number vertically. 6 into 0 is 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 into 5 is 25 plus 4 is 29. 29 plus 4 is 116 plus 3 is 119. So general term is coming 120k plus 19. If I put k equals to 0, we get the first number, which is 119.